Pantry, and today I'm bringing you my grocery haul for this week. I don't do these every single week, but you guys seem to enjoy when I do, and then I give you ideas of what I might be coming up with next, and also give you something to look forward to. So I did a quick little Walmart and farm stand and grocery outlet. I just ran a couple of places. I went and got gas. I did not go in Costco, and so I'm back home and I'm doing videos the rest of the afternoon, but I wanted to knock this one out. So I stopped. We have fresh fruit farm stands everywhere up here, and right now it's strawberry, raspberry, and cherry season, and so I bought a half flat of raspberries. I already made strawberry rhubarb serrano pepper jam for you, but I'm gonna make raspberry rhubarb jalapeno jam for you because I like them sweet and spicy. They go on more things. I'm not a jam and jelly or a jam toast kind of girl. I use my jams for savory dishes, for glazes, for other applications, and for appetizers. So that's coming up in the near future. I got a big bag of jalapenos, and these are huge. I'm going to do a couple of things with them. I mean, look at this one. It's as big as my hand. I've got a couple of things I'm going to do with it. I'm going to make the jam, but I'm also going to, where is it? Oh, I'm going to make stuffed jalapenos, but I'm going to make a Southwest filling. So they're going to be like a salmon patty, but instead of making patties and putting the jalapenos inside, I'm gonna stuff the jalapenos with the salmon patty mixture. And this is wild caught Alaskan salmon. If I had home canned, you can bet I would be using that. So that's coming up. I will do a video for you later this afternoon. I'm gonna grill them. They're gonna be delicious. Anyway, okay, that was Walmart. I also got some green onions. Those are gonna go in the mix as well. I picked up some oyster shell for the baby chicks because now that they're out on grass and they're getting, you know, lettuces and that kind of thing, they need a little bit of oyster shell with their feed. They can free choice that just so it helps them digest stuff better. And then I picked up this dog food for Shotzi to try, salmon and pea recipe. It's grain-free. Wild caught salmon, so I'm gonna spoil her. I try to feed her really, really well, and then I supplement with extra protein, lean protein though. I don't feed her a lot of fat, and she's in excellent shape. So that was Walmart. I also bought some green chilies. These are the diced green chilies that are hot. I like those for recipes. Walmart anyway. Oh, then I bought some more food prep containers because I take stuff or I'll give it away, and if the container doesn't come back, it's no big deal. I'm not giving away my expensive Tupperware. I also bought some Sure Gel for jam and another 4-pack of the pretty squatty half-pint jars. I love these. They're just beautiful, and everyone loves to get them as a gift. So some of this raspberry rhubarb jalapeno jam is going to go in here. Okay, I also had planned to make a jalapeno pineapple jam. So at Grocery Outlet, I bought some. This is crayon pineapple. Sorry if I'm all over the board, but that was Walmart. I think I'm done with Walmart. Yes. Nope, I'm not. Great value. This is one of my favorites. This is a great value Salsa Verde. I used this and made chicken enchiladas last night for the family, and everyone loved it. They were delicious. So I wanted to replenish the jar I used. I always rotate my pantry that way. So when I stopped at Grocery Outlet, I went in for heavy cream because it's a reasonable price. And I started looking around, and I wanted some blue cheese crumbles because I like to make a couple things with blue cheese or just have it with my salad. They have the linguiça, and it's cheaper there. It's only $3.99 for linguiça sausage. And these are just great on the grill, or I can cut them into coins and stuff shrimp. You can cut them into chunks and stuff jalapenos. So I've got a couple of ideas for those in the next month or two, or actually the next couple weeks. I also bought some crushed pineapple because there is a pineapple pepper jam coming up in my near future. And then the different thing that they had was College Inn culinary stock. Okay, so they've got this small batch artisan chicken stock, and I like the fact that it's in a glass jar. I can see it. It looks just like mine, and so I'm anxious to try that. That was $1.99 a quart. I can't make it for that, I don't believe. Yeah, anyways, we're gonna try this and see how it comes out, because I make soup at least once a week. I love having soup. It doesn't matter what time of year it is. I like having soup. So I've got some chicken soup coming up with wontons that I want to make. So they also had these jalapeno, these are ranch beans, but they have the jalapenos in them. These are my favorite beans, and just a small 15-ounce can at Walmart is like $1.49. These big, larger cans, perfect for this is a 26-ounce can, perfect for a pot of chili. These were only 99 cents, so I bought 2 of them, and I bought 2 of the chicken broth. So there's my shopping haul, and I figured I spent about $67, so not too bad. I really don't need any produce other than I needed the berries, because the garden is producing. And I bought tomatoes earlier in the week, so I'm good to go. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the grocery haul. I definitely, just a couple odds and ends, but sometimes that's all you need. And sometimes it's good to just put some stuff back in the pantry that you're not going to use right away, and you'll have it for a rainy day when that